guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi YouTubers and subscribers, welcome back to Melissa's Steve's Kitchen. And for those who are just visiting my channel, thank you for clicking on my video, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos, cooking videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Hit the bell notification to get notified when I put up new videos, and remember to like, subscribe and share my video. I want to thank you all for tuning in for this video today, stir fry vegetable video. So here I have 2 bowls of vegetables, you can see here. So you can choose any vegetable of your choice. So I'm using pak choy, callaloo here as well. I have some onion, I have some sliced onion and some diced garlic. I have chicken breast that I've cut into strips. I have some scallion and thyme. I have some mixed vegetable, and I have my egg noodle that I have already boiled already. So I've just here for our video. So this is what we're going to use for our video today. So thank you all for tuning. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get right into it. This is my egg noodle pasta that I've boiled. Now I'm going to do my chicken. So this is my chicken. I'm going to season it with some seasoning, and then I'm going to put it in a pot to boil it so you can gather the seasoning. So let's do that. So for my video, I'll be using my favorite pot saucepan that I use in most of all of my videos. So I'm going to then I'm going to take my chicken. I'm then going to add it to my saucepan here. Show what I'm doing. So I've add my chicken to my saucepan. I add some water, I add some salt, and then I add some powdered seasoning. I'm now going to put this on the fire to boil until it's like pre-cooked. So guys, that is my chicken. I'm going to allow that to boil. I'm going to use it as my sauce. So to this bowl, I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add some Eve soya sauce, any brand of soya sauce, and I'm going to use my chicken bouillon. So guys, in my little sauce bowl here, I've add a little pinch of salt, because our season already having salt, and I add in the Maggi all-purpose seasoning, my chicken bouillon, and I add some sugar as well. I'm then now going to add my Eve all-purpose soya sauce here. I'm just going to pour in just a little. So I'm going to pour in just a little. Yes. Also going to add some water to help to make the sauce base. So add some water just to mix out everything well. It incorporated. Just like that. Wow. So guys, I'm just going to stir this here. I want to stir it until the chicken bouillon dissolve. I'm going to continue stirring this, guys, so I'll come back after. So allow it to boil until it's cooked. So once it's cooked, so boiling it so you can gather the flavor in it. So that's why we're boiling it. So we're going to allow it to boil some more. And also with this broth, we could also save the broth and use it for soup, or we can even add some of the broth to our vegetable dish we're about to create.
My egg noodle that I've boiled this morning before shooting the video. Here I have my pak choy that I've diced. Here I have my onion and some diced garlic. Here I have some packaged mixed vegetable, and another bowl of pak choy. So I'll say that it I have some callaloo.
So guys, here it is. So season and everything on it, so it's full of flavor. And then now I'm going to put on my sauce. I just added my oil. So first I'm going to do is fry my onion and garlic. I'm going to allow that to fry. Just allow it to sweat before I add any of my vegetable. Guys, once it has started to sweat, I'm then going to add my 2 bowls of pak choy. The pak choy takes some time to cook, so I'm going to add it first. So 1 bowl, 2 bowls of pak choy. Stir that. We're then going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes before we add any more vegetables. So we're just going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Now to this, we're now going to add our callaloo. We're going to allow it to steam in it as well. Going to add our callaloo. Going to stir it along with this. So because we're going to leave it, make it steam, and then going to add. So I just add my callaloo. Now going to add my mixed vegetable for color. So adding it for color purposes. So it's optional, so you don't have to add it. But because I want a little more color, because it's just green, I'm going to add some of my mixed vegetable. Let's stir that in. So there guys, I've just added my mixed vegetable. I'm now going to cover this and allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. Then we come back to check on it. Oh, to get in that's okay. Now allow our vegetable cook for about 10 minutes or so. We're now going to add our boiled chicken pieces. Mm-hmm. That wanted to add some of our broth from when we're boiling chicken, so just going to add some of that as well to it. And also, we're just going to drop in, or more like going to add our noodle to allow it to go to cook along with everything else, so we can get out some of the flavor. We're going to leave that until it starts to heat up, so we're going to, and then after blending everything, so we're just going to leave that to make it heat up first. So here I have my noodle blend into my pasta, and then now because everything already pre-cooked, so we don't want to overcook. And then I'm going to add my sauce, drizzle my sauce, that is my scallion, my thyme, my soya sauce, drizzle everything. I'm going to stir that, cover it, and allow it to cook for 10 minutes, and then we're finished. So guys, I've finished adding everything to my pot. I'm now going to cover it. There it is. I'm then going to cover it and allow it to cook for 10 more minutes, and then we'll come back. It's time to serve. Ooh, wow! There it is, guys. My chicken vegetable pap chow stir fry with callaloo. Okay, now it's time for serving. I'm then going to serve. Take a look at that.